Hi, my name is Katy Leffel, and I'm the director of the Oklahoma School Foundations Network. And I would like to share some information with you about a new opportunity for donors to public schools and public school foundations in the state of Oklahoma. And that is the Opportunity Scholarship Tax Credits. Just this past year, the Oklahoma legislature expanded on a law that first began in 2011 that was designed to provide tax credits to donors who wanted to provide private school scholarships and also provide innovative educational grants to small rural school districts. As of this year, in November of 2021, that law was expanded to include donors to all public schools and qualified public school foundations across the state. And so what that means is that donors who want to support these innovative educational opportunities in their school districts can make a donation either to their district or to a qualified school foundation. And those school foundations can use those funds to support these innovative educational programs, and donors receive a credit on their Oklahoma state taxes. A couple of things to note. The funds that are collected through this program are designated and have to be used for specific innovative educational opportunities. So if you are donating already to your district or to your school foundation, this tax credit is not available for all donations. So I just want to be really specific about that. You need to contact your local district or your local foundation to find out what educational innovative programs those donations need to be made to in order to qualify for a state tax credit. There are 3 levels of tax credits available based upon your filing status. If you file as an individual for the state, you can qualify for up to $1,000 tax credit per year. For couples, that limit is $2,000 per year. And for qualified businesses, you can receive up to $100,000 Oklahoma state tax credit. There are also 2 available tax credit levels based upon whether you are doing a one-time gift or a 2-year gift. 1-year gift pledges are available for a 50% tax credit, and a 2-year gift is eligible for a 75% tax credit. So let me show you a few examples that might help clarify how this might work. I want to note each of these examples shows the amount that you would need to give to get the maximum tax credit. But I want to clarify that certainly you do not have to give at this top level in order to receive a tax credit. So these samples just show you how you get to that top tax credit amount. So as an individual, if you wanted to receive a full $1,000 tax credit, you can either make a 1-year tax credit or 1-year commitment to your school district or foundation to make a $2,000 gift. You get that 50% credit, giving you a $1,000 tax credit. If you make a 2-year commitment, you get that 75% tax credit. And so your pledge of $2,667 would be made in annual $1,333 gift amounts to receive that $1,000 tax credit. One thing to note in this example is that any amount that you donate to your district or your qualified school foundation that is above that tax credited amount is still available to be deducted when you file your taxes. So for that 2-year commitment, the $333 over and above the tax credited amount can be deducted from your taxes as well. Here's an example for a couple filing jointly who wanted to receive the full $2,000 tax credit. These are the amounts that you would need to pledge and donate per year in order to get to that amount. And then the same for a qualified business entity. If you want to receive that full $100,000 tax credit, if you're doing a 1-year gift, one-time gift, that would be a $200,000 donation to receive a $100,000 tax credit. Or if you're making a 2-year commitment to get that 75% tax credit, you're going to be looking at pledging a total of $266,000 broken into 2 $133,000 annual gifts to receive your $100,000 tax credit. And again, just to note that amount that goes to your school district or foundation above that tax credited $100,000 level, that amount is still deductible. A couple of things to note about these available tax credits. There's always some fine print. There is a $25 million cap per year on credits for all public school donors throughout the state. There is also a $200,000 tax credit cap per district each year. And so what that means is that if that cap is reached across the state or within your district, credits may be prorated. And so those unused credits that are not allowed to be used for that year can roll over to the next year and for up to 3 years. I want to be really clear that the best thing you can do if you're interested in pursuing this opportunity is, first of all, to consult your own tax professional to find out if this program is a good fit for you and good for your own tax purposes. And second of all, to communicate clearly with your school district and your public school foundation to find out if they're participating and registered with the state to participate in this program, and to figure out what types of donations are eligible. Thanks for considering supporting your local public school or public school foundation with your donor dollars. We are able to do so much good through those gifts that our communities bring into our local districts. And so thanks again for giving me just a few minutes to share about this new donor opportunity to receive Oklahoma State tax credits for donations to public schools.